And amidst the battle over civic polls in Hyderabad, UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath stirred a political row through his contentious comments over changing Hyderabad's name to Bhagyanagar, leading to a bitter war of words with the AIMIM chief Asaduddin Owaisi, who lashed out at the BJP, accusing it of playing communal politics. Launching a scathing attack on Yogi Adityanath, Asaduddin Owaisi added that the BJP's goal was restricted to changing the city's name, while he questioned the Saffron Party on how many tickets have they given to Muslim candidates. This is coming in as the UP Chief Minister promised a makeover for Hyderabad during his visit yesterday, starting from its name to be changed to Bhagyanagar.
उत्तर प्रदेश में भारतीय जनता पार्टी की सरकार आई, हमने फैजाबाद को अयोध्या कर दिया। तो फिर इसका वास्तविक नाम भाग्यनगर क्यों नहीं हो सकता?
तुम्हारा मकसद एक ही है, हैदराबाद का नाम बदल दो, हैदराबाद में मजलिस को कमजोर कर दो। मजलिस की दुश्मनी में ये बल्दिया के इंतखाबात बीजेपी लड़ रही है। मैंने पार्लियामेंट में अल्लाह के नाम लेकर हमारे मुल्क की आईन पर हल्फ लिया। आज उस रुकने पार्लियामेंट को बीजेपी कहती है कि जिना है।
Temperature is soaring in Hyderabad ahead of its civic polls on December 1. The civic polls have reached fever pitch, with top brass of the BJP taking the electoral battle to Owaisi's citadel. On Saturday, Uttar Pradesh Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath visited Hyderabad and held a massive roadshow in Malkajgiri area, followed by a public meeting with locals. The UP CM was welcomed with a flower shower.
Yogi Adityanath is in Hyderabad and the Bharatiya Janata Party has pulled out all stops to ensure that he captures the heart and mind of the voters here. Though it is for the municipal election, this is the roadshow of Yogi Adityanath which is taking place right now. And just look at the enthusiasm and the kind of election machinery which has been deployed by the BJP.
Yogi promised a makeover for Hyderabad, starting with its name.
यहाँ पर एक परिवार और उनकी मित्र मंडली को लूट खसोट की और छूट देने के लिए यहाँ पर एक फिर से उन्हें फ्रीडम देना चाहते हैं, या फिर हैदराबाद को भाग्यनगर बना करके फिर से विकास की नई बुलंदियों में पहुंचाना है।
On Friday, BJP President JP Nadda was the flag bearer of Saffron Party's campaign trail. And next in line to visit the city of Nawabs is Home Minister Amit Shah. He will visit Bhagyalakshmi Temple adjacent to Charminar and address a press conference on Sunday. Other big faces like Devendra Fadnavis and Smriti Irani, among others, have already visited the city. BJP is leaving no stone unturned, much to the surprise of its opponents.
I've been asking people as to who the local party here is, and it is us, the Telangana Rashtra Samiti, which is most certainly the local party. And so I've been appealing to the people that the Gully party, the local party here, should be chosen over the Delhi party, which is, of course, the BJP and the Congress, of course.
हैदराबाद के पुराने शहर को कहती हैं कि यहाँ पर पाकिस्तानी है, रोहिंग्या है, अफगानी है और हम सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करेंगे। अगर बीजेपी पुराने शहर में सर्जिकल स्ट्राइक करेगी तो 1 तारीख के दिन पूरा हैदराबाद इंशाअल्लाह ताला मिलकर बीजेपी के ऊपर एक डेमोक्रेटिक स्ट्राइक करेगा।
Greater Hyderabad Municipal Corporation election has turned into a full-on battle where BJP has deployed battery of its star campaigners. The way party is canvassing and campaigning in this election, it clearly shows that BJP is not only targeting Hyderabad but also eyeing to capture power in 2023 assembly polls in the state. With camera person Damodar, Ashish in Hyderabad for India Today.
Hello everyone, this is Rahul Kamal here. Hope you enjoyed this video. For the latest news and analysis, like and subscribe the India Today YouTube channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to stay updated.